1. I was jogging in the park this morning and saw this dog coming towards me. It looked like he was going to attack me, but he was just trying to reach out for his owner who was running right behind me. 2. Barbara, your boyfriend is waiting for you outside in the car. 3. I heard a glass breaking noise in the living room and ran to see what happened. A pigeon flew against the window and broke it. 4. Suzanne, who lives by that coffee shop place, came over to visit you this morning. 5. I don't know how many times I have told my daughter to look at both sides before running across the street. 6. My house is between the grocery store and the gas station. 7. The temperature in Washington, D.C. today is 8 degrees below zero. 8. The cat is sitting on the wall. 9. As soon as Bob heard his boss coming, he jumped for his chair and pretended he was working. 10. Frederick lives up the hill, where all the mansions are.